Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to yet another brilliant episode of the Change Collective. You've got me, Friska of Fresh by Friska, and I'm joined by my good friend Matt of Lavo. And in today's episode, we're going to talk about, do we still need change managers? I mean, given the increase in agile product development and agile ways of working, do we still need it? What do you think, Matt?
Oh, look, it's a hell to the yeah from me. I think what people tend to get a little bit lost in is Agile has been built upon this methodology way back from lean manufacturing back in the 1940s. And it's all on the basis of producing something for the customer, for the end user, in real time. So they can see it, they can touch it, they can feel it, and then they can get engaged. Now, that doesn't mean that change management is not needed. It becomes even more so critical. And let me explain. So I think what is necessary within an agile approach is that you need to have communication as a stronger level of skill on the basis that you're iterating on a regular basis. So there's messages that are going on left, right, and center. And if that's not well managed, well structured, and well delivered, then you can lose people. And then as soon as you start losing people, that's when confidence starts to deflate. And as soon as you lose that confidence, you'll have a terrible, terrible implementation. So I think, change management is very necessary to be able to coach leaders in how to have those conversations, how to manage the development, ensuring that the business is together with the production team, whoever that is, whether it's software, whether it's manufacturing, whoever it is, they're together and they're working together, that they're showcasing and that the messages are crisp, that it's not overly technical when being delivered to the business. So there are many reasons why change management now more than ever in an agile methodology or an agile space is needed. How about yourself? What are your thoughts, Rishka?
I agree with you. And the point I wanted to make is in a traditional waterfall project, I mean, we're both ProSci trained. We would, go through the ADCAR process, but in an agile environment, you want to focus on the K and the A, which is the knowledge and the ability, because there's always minor incremental changes, and you may not have the resources or the time or the bandwidth to amp up that awareness, to amp up that desire. So instead, focus on making sure people have the capability to use the new functionality, to use the new features.
Yeah, no, it works in beautifully in terms of ADCAR and Agile. It's just that it's more iterative. That's all that means. And then you've got to try and bring those pieces even more closer together than in a waterfall, which is just end to end. So yeah, great point.
There you go, folks. Change is here to stay, even in the face of Agile. So join us again for yet another episode of the Change Collective. See you next time.
Bye.